Did you know Tesla lets you test drive any of their models overnight? I've owned the Tesla Model Y for just over a year now and only found out about this recently. So join me as I walk you through the steps of booking it, test driving it, and dropping it back off. So the first thing you want to do is head over to tesla.com, and for this example I'll be using the Model 3, and you want to hit the demo drive button, and once you do you'll be asked to fill up a form. It actually tracks down the location based off your zip code. You choose the location that you are most closest to, and after your selected one you pick your date and your time, fill out your contact information, and simply hit schedule demo drive, and you should get this thank you confirmation. Next, when you receive the text confirmation, that's when you actually ask if you can borrow it overnight for a test drive. And as you can see, I was very adamant about getting the Ultra Red Model 3. But don't worry, you can choose your color in the next step. Showroom. So now we're about to go pick up our Tesla that we can borrow overnight. Bring with you, A, is your driver's license, and B, proof of insurance. So make sure you bring your insurance slip that's lying around in your glove box, and that's all you really need. And if you're a Tesla owner already, they will especially give you preference for an overnight test drive. Hey, how's it going?
How are you?
Good, are you? I have an overnight test drive booked already.
Can I get your name?
Yeah, it's Ayman. A-Y-M-A-N.
Model 3.
Yes.
Okay.
And is it possible to get a red one?
I don't think we have a red.
I don't have a red.
Okay.
I have a white, black, and gray.
I'll do white. Yeah.
This one is red.
Okay. You sure you don't have a red? You sure? I love the red.
Double check outside.
I saw a red in the parking lot over there. I don't know if it's yours or, yeah.
So for the vehicle, please return the vehicle tomorrow before 11 o'clock.
Oh, before 11 o'clock, okay. That's what... Now, when you return in the morning, you do have to take this Tesla key card, and they use a after-hours drop-off service. So you pull this, add your key card here, and it's gone. Wow, that was loud. As simple as that, and that's how you loan a Tesla overnight.